So next spices is chili. The botanical name of chili is Capsicum annuum. Capsicum annuum as well as Capsicum frutescens. These belongs to the family Solanaceae. There are two different types of species we are going to discuss. Capsicum annuum is a large size of capsicum. Kudamilahai. Capsicum frutescens are commonly we are using in kitchen. Usually capsicum frutescens are having more amount of pungent. Karam konjam adhigama irukum. Capsicum annuum is having less amount of pungency. So that is why these are having less amount of karam. So we can use as vegetable, common vegetable. Capsicum is a native plant of South America and is popularly known as chili or red pepper in English. India is leading producer and exporter of chili. Capsicum annuum and Capsicum frutescens are important cultivated species of chilies. The fruits of Capsicum annuum are less pungent than the fruits of Capsicum frutescens. Capsicum annuum includes large sweet bell peppers, that is kodamalagai. Long fruits of cultivars of this species are commonly known as cayenne pepper, which are crushed, powdered, and is used as condiment. Chilies are used in manufacture of sauce, curry powders, and preparation of pickles. Capsaicin is an active component of chilies. It has a pain relieving properties and used in pain relieving balms as well. Chilies are a good source of vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin E as well. Next we are going to see about condiment, tamarind, puli. So tamarind you might have seen in our local area, puliyamaram. The botanical name of tamarind is Tamarindus indica, which belongs to the family Caesalpinidaceae. Fabaceae, which include a subfamily called Caesalpinidae. This tamarind plant belongs to African country. Tamarind is native of tropical African region and was introduced in India several thousands years ago. It is cultivated in India, Myanmar, South Asian countries, and several African countries, and as well as Central American countries as well. Tamarind has a long been used in Africa and in South Asia. The name Tamarindus is of Arabian origin, which means dates of India. Tamar means dates, Indus means India. That's why it is called as dates of India. It is used in flavoring sauces in the United States and Mexico. In India, the fruit pulps is a major ingredient for many culinary preparation. Sweet tamarinds are sold as staple fruits in India, imported from Thailand and Malaysia. So next category we are going to see is fiber yielding plants. Some of the fiber yielding plants like cotton, jute, we are going to discuss in this class. Botanically, a fiber is a long, narrow and thick-walled cells. It may be either xylem or phloem, mostly xylem fiber, or even sclerotic fiber. The botanical name of cotton is Gossypium species, Gossypium hirsutum, Gossypium arboreum, Gossypium americanum. So lot of species we are having, which belongs to the family Malvaceae. So this is cotton plant. This is jute product. Both cotton and jute is very common from our ancestors. Cotton is the world's most important non-food commercial crop. It is one of the oldest cultivated crops of the world. It has been cultivated for about 8,000 years, both in New World and in Old World as well. Commercial cotton comes from 4 cotton species. 2 from New World, 2 from Old World. Gossypium hirsutum, Gossypium barbadans, both are from New World species. Gossypium arboretum, Gossypium herbaceum are the Old World species. In India, cotton is cultivated in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. It is mainly used in manufacturing of various textile, hosiery product, toys, and is also used in hospitals. Another fiber-yielding plant is jute. Its botanical name is Quercus species, which belongs to the family same Malvaceae. The jute is derived from 2 cultivated species, that is Quercus capsularis as well as Capsulus olitarius, is from African origin, whereas C. capsularis is believed to be Indo-Burmese origin. It is an important cultivated commercial crop in Gangetic plains of India and Bangladesh as well. It is one of the largest exported fiber material of India. The jute industry occupies an important place in the national economy of India. Jute is used for safe packaging in view of being natural, renewable, biodegradable and eco-friendly product. It is used in bagging and wrapping textiles. About 75% of the jute produce is used for manufacturing sacks and bags. It is also used in manufacture of blankets, rags, curtains, etc. It is also being used as a textile fiber in recent years. Next one is timber. Timber means block, which will be used for furniture. Manufacturing furniture can be obtained from various timber. Among them, teak is one of the important plant. The basic need of shelter is obtained from the timber trees only. The botanical name of teak plant is Tectona grandis, which belongs to the family Lamiaceae. This is native Southeast Asia. It is observed wild in Assam, but cultivated in Bengal, Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and northwest India. It is one of the best timber of the world. The hardwood is golden yellow to golden brown when freshly sawn, turning darker when exposed to light. Known for its durability, as it is immune to attack termites and fungi. They never be attacked by termites as well as fungi. The wood does not split or crack and is a carpenter friendly wood. It was a chief railway carriage and wagon wood in India. Shipbuilding and bridge building depends on teak wood. It is also used in making boats, toys, plywood, door frames and doors as well. Next we are going to see rubber plant, latex of rubber. The botanical name of rubber plant in India is Hevea brasiliensis, which belongs to the family Euphorbiaceae. So this is rubber plant. We used to cut around a girdle to form the latex to form in a small pot-like material, and in that part like material we can collect the latex of this rubber plant, Hevea brasiliensis. The name itself we can able to understand, brasiliensis, which belongs to Brazil. It is a native of Brazil and was introduced outside its native range during the colonial period and has become an important cash crop. Asia contributed 90% of the world production. Kerala is the largest producer in India, followed by Tamil Nadu. Tire and other automobiles parts manufacturing industries consume 70% of the rubber production. Rubber is used in manufacturing footwear, wire and cable insulations, raincoats, households and hospital goods, socks absorbers, belts, sports goods, erasers, adhesives means gums, and rubber bands. Hard rubber is used in electrical and radio engineering industries. Concentrated latex is used for making gloves, balloons and condoms. Foamed latex is used in the manufacture of cushions, pillows and light belts as well. Next we are going to see about pulp of wood, which can be able to use for paper industry. So these are all wood pulps, mostly from bark and xylem pieces of wood, which is used as wood pulp. The term paper is derived from the word papyrus, a plant, Cyprus papyrus. Cyprus means quarry. Previously they obtained from that quarry, Cyprus papyrus. That was used in Egyptian to make paper-like material. Paper production is a Chinese invention. The Chinese discovered the paper that was prepared from the inner bark of paper mulberry in the year 105 Anno Domini AD. For a long time, the art of paper making remained a monopoly of Chinese until Arabs learned the technique and improved it around 750 AD. Invention of printing increased the demand for paper.